Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to block someone on FaceTime. This is iPhone 12. So on your iPhone with the latest software you go to FaceTime. Here FaceTime. We got the one person, so you need to tap on exclamation mark here. Exclamation mark, like an exclamation mark, and tap. And then you scroll down to block this caller. Block this caller, and you need to confirm you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the block list. Yes, block if you want to block, and later if you want unblock, you can unblock. Now block is the person blocked. That's it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.